Well, talking about Tinder app, and the app is actually not that bad because the security system and also the checkup system is very much strong. So as I am doing the checkup system, like I will have to match up 14 in total sum, and there are 4 dice as you can see. So I'm on halfway, like I have done 2, and 3 more to do. So let's go. And the thing is, it is like quite interesting, and it's kind of difficult. Like you'll have to find it individually. This isn't as easy as like Google Capture or Google Image, but it is a kind of a tricky one. So you must have to be human. There is no bots. They are claiming this. So we'll find out more, but we'll have to be patient. So the initial thing is here. Well, let's sum it up. I think this is no, not. This isn't also this thing. Well, this thing exceeds. Okay. Well, hold on. This thing exceeds. This thing exceeds. No way. Is this the right? But why? Okay, this one is the right one. Yeah, as you can see, this is taking too much time to me. I don't know why. Is my brain is slow working or whatever? I'm really confused. Hold on. No, six. No, it's not this one. This one. Well, this is the last one, I guess. This will be the harder one. So far we did 4 out of 4. And why this is cut off, I don't know. Well, this thing, no fucking way, is too short. This thing is right. Whoa, why this is taking too much time? Why this is gone to 10? I mean, is this serious? I'm taking too much time and they're giving me much and more. Tinder is so much painful right now. I'm seriously feeling the pain. And here we go. This is not possible. I'll I'll have to concentrate so that I can do. How this become 9? Is this 9? Was this a up or down 6? This seems like 9. Damn crazy, man. No fucking way. I'm mixing it up so bad. These dice are not even clear to perceive. I mean, well, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 12, and 2, 14. Don't give me much more, not more than 10. I'm still pissed off. Really? I mean, this is taking forever. So, this is the thing. We are pretty close. Here we go, guys. We are going to discover something special, I guess. If they deny I'm not a human, I will be fucking crazy. Do they do this really? No, this one is one shot, and this one is 3 well, what? 6, 6, 6. Oh, oh, wow. Oh, oh no, 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 no. This we're almost done. Yeah, we're almost done. I think we'll go very fast right now. And if you don't know, I just got caught cold, and my voice is kind of heavy. So I'm trying to making this game much more easy. But this is getting much and more harder. Fuck off. Oh, this is the last one, man. Just make it happen. Well. 7 and 5. 7 and 5 will never be 14. I was kidding, man. I was definitely kidding. Is this one? Hold on. 8 and 6, 14, I guess. Yeah. I proved. Well, they ask for the mobile number. Should I provide it? Or I can't be able to continue. So I'll have to hide the mobile number for a second. Just adding this. Hold on. Oh my god, they are sending me codes. Okay. Why this is taking too much time? I got the code right now. Is this okay? Ish. I pressed enter. What happened? But I pressed enter. Holy fuck. This. Okay. Okay. This is came like the login info. Is this real? I should better use it in the mobile version. Fucking hell, what a disaster. Well, at last we are here, and because I had to go some crazy things, I'll share you I'll share with you later. But we are just entering the Tinder to check out the Tinder. So I have to give my first name. First name would be well, I'm pretty much confused to the first name. What should I give? We say Ali. Ali. Ali Rahul. Let's say this. Date of month. Should I go it real? Should I go it real? 1990. Say this and 3. I'm a man, obviously. Show my gender and profile. School name. Are you fucking kidding me? School name, remember that. Info Angels. Let's go with this. Oh, what? They're asking for the permission. Also, that they're asking for the passion, like hot yoga. Yeah. Twitch. Okay. I should say soccer, bicycle racing. Fortnite, sports, social media. Why I can't be able to select those? I have to select add to photos. I'll have to add 2 photos. Okay. I will just go camera. Only this time I will add this one. Okay. Done. Camera. Let's give everything continue. No contacts. So here in the main page right now. So the thing is, if I go left, it's no. If I go right, it's like. So the thing is, I'm going to give this a girl. Isn't that bad? Well, but what does this mean? If I move this way, that's the right, that's the left, that's the left, there's the left should go. But wait. I think that's right. Well, this guy is using iPhone, so I'm going to with this right. Okay. No need. But what is that super like for? What is this? Holy fuck. Everywhere. Okay. So I'm basically just liking and disliking. All of these gonna like. Well, this thing should go like. All of those gonna dislike. What the hell is the fucking hell? Okay, this guy. Like, dislike, dislike, and why you are showing fit? Nowhere. What the hell is that? It's a nose ring also. Okay. 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 This is limitless. My voice kinda heavy. And the funny thing is, I had to go for some heavy checkup. Like, I wanted to open it up with the PC, and there was a huge security. Like, I had to go like a couple of times, and a couple of. I mean, I had to spend 6 minutes to complete the survey. I mean, the security was too damn high. Like, Tinder is that legit. I can't even find out yet who the hell is the busty. Dot. Oh, hold on. I know this girl, but he's using Tinder. No fucking way. Well, who underest? Well, this name is one of the most common name in our country. Sadia and Trina. Dun 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 dun. What? I mean, I don't know. He's like an auntie, and he's just married. And what are you doing in Tinder? And lives in Kolkata too. Scarlett. My mom is nice. Okay. So close. No fucking way. Well, I've done a lot. Oh, no thanks, festival mode. So, what? Future night down to something spontaneously. Let's be friend and coffee date join now. Lots of features. I mean, the premium one would be much more interesting, but I'm just checking this out. If the Tinder is that good, I will let you know the security option. When that was funny, too funny. I was pretty much nervous on my video, so I will add this on my later. But so far, this isn't that bad. I mean, seems pretty legit application. So you can be able to find other features like start liking. So what's this thing? Safety toolkit. So that thing is like, if I give him the love, so I'll have to buy the premium, so I can control my profiles. This is the Tinder Plus, and the monthly subscription isn't that high, but this is for the 6 months. And is this an offer ongoing? I don't know exactly, so I can't be able to like them right now. What is this thing? Out of boost. So to tap profile area, manage to get more matches. Okay, all of these are for the matches. How to check the matches here? 0 likes, top picks. What? Let's check out the picks here. Okay. Less than a mile. These taking pictures, but how to swipe the profile pictures right there. Not impressive. Fucking fake ID. Well, this one was the fake one, I guess. There are lots of fake people around there. And here we go. What? Another fake one. These are the recommended, but why? Why these are the recommended? I mean, why they are in the recommended section? From VNC topics. I don't know. These are the boosted one, I guess. They're the loneliest and boosted one, I guess. And yes, so far, if you don't have the premium one, we can't tell you much, but so far it looks legit to me. But whatever guys are thinking, let me know in the comment section also. But another thing is like, I reached my like option, so I can't be able to like anymore. So other thing is like, just stay with this video. I mean, you will enjoy the PC version what I've done. That was epic also. And yeah, that's all from today guys. See you all soon. Till then, have fun. Peace.